Grizzly Weber, and today I'm going to teach you how to survive in your backyard. Again. Just to explain, after the last episode, I had to get a new cameraman because I ate him because I was hungry. The first thing you need to know about surviving in your backyard, again, is that you need to learn how to swing. It keeps yourself warm and away from dangerous glaciers. Like this! You gotta pop out and take your legs.
Good technique.
I know. The next thing you need to learn how to do is to find a good shelter. It keeps you away from the glaciers and from very uncivilized people. You need to cover it with something to keep the bird poop off you. You can't see me. When you're out in the wild or in your backyard again, you need to keep entertained. I play rugby. I'm open! I'm open! My head! I was so hungry that I ordered pizza.
Pizza delivery.
Hi, pizza man!
I got you first pizza. Where's my money?
There's your money.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you want tip?
Enjoy.
Okay. Oh, my pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Let me help you eat. It looks tasty.
It is the best there. Oh. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. I cannot eat it.
It's so good.
I think I got food poisoning from that pizza. Yeah! Thanks, buddy! Thanks, partner! Stay back, man. Got the camera. I got pizza! Pizza, go! Oh, crap! That's it for our show. I'm Grizzly Weber. See you next time. And watch out for glaciers. Glaciers!